Hey guys, today video is on export of captions or subtitles from CAPTASIA to upload on the YouTube videos. Here it is the captions of the video. This is the caption section. This is the saved captions at Notepad to paste in manually on YouTube. But exporting captions are really super easy and fully automatic. You will see export captions over here and just click on it. Save type is two kind, but I choose SRT file. Give file name as I am giving captions and click on save. This is the saved file you can see here. Let me show you the properties of this. You can see it's saved as SRT file. If you don't know how to upload this SRT file on YouTube, watch the next video at the end.